Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.com. Making this a small video about my entries from 7-minute chart. I got several requests to explain that, how to use it. So here I am. I'm just gonna make this video public as well. So let's get started. On the April 24th, I posted on my Telegram the EJ and GJ making longs, right? So what were these entries? Right here, EJ, this was the entry, and I even posted the target here. See, GJ target is 67.98 and EJ target is 48.40. Look where it went, straight up to 48.40, and GJ went to very close to this 67.98 target, but I closed it because I was tired, sleeping. I had this one, 185 pip here, and I also had this one for 55 pips, so almost like 230-40 pips. Says, okay, bye-bye, and I went to sleep. So fine and dandy that day. But the next day, again, these pairs were making setups, right? For example, this was the trade, and then here, this is the setup that I posted again on the 25th. Let's see here. See, GJ and EJ making longs again. Okay, so here, and when I put this, they're making a setup, I am also taking those trades usually, right? So this one was a long setup, but what happened to it? You can see it. It went down. It didn't go my way, right? And as well as the euro yen, this was the setup that I posted that I'm going to take to the long side. This was my trade. This went good, right? For 85 pip, 100 pip, all this work. And then here, this went bad again. So euro yen and pound yen, 25 pip each. So I lost 50 pip in these two entries on the 25th. But here's the game. Here comes my 7-minute chart. If the pair is not in the volume time, you usually, that's London Open right there, right? So if the London Opens, volume comes in, and if the pair, instead of going in your way or your entry way, it goes the opposite, that means it's going to the opposite direction. That night is going to go opposite. Okay, no problem. So how do I make the entry? Because it's not going to give me the entry. It never gave me the entry here on the 20-minute chart, But let me show you that my 7-minute chart, for example, this one, GJ, right? So it went down on me without giving me any 20-minute short setup, went down all the way here. So basically, I lost 25 pip here. No. What I did and what I do always, that I use the 7-minute chart, and the charts are set up. My son take care of those 7-minute charts. They're a little different in coloring and all of that because he is different. So, but if the pair is not going up, that means it's going down. Now, 7-minute chart gives me early entry, very fast entry. So I use that because the 20-minute, you can see that, 20-minute long setup, but short setup, I never had it. It would drop 150 pip, it never gave me the short setup. But it gave me this short setup on the 7-minute chart. Let me show it to you. The 7-minute chart, pound yen, right? On the 25th. Here it is. See on the 25th, April 25th, right here, and entry, 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 and it went all the way down. The trade I took, let me show you the trade. GJ trade. This was 24th, so on the 25th, my long went, okay, this one also, I had one of those Aussie yen short on the 25th. But GJ, let me show you GJ's 7-minute chart. This is what the 7-minute chart is. You see this entry here? Beautiful entry, and it went down for 140 pip. I lost, long side, I lost 25 pip, but it started to go down and start giving me entries here. So I said, okay, let me take this one and then ride the damn thing. And came out with 140 pips. Similarly, EJ did the same thing, and I got EJ entry here, sell entry right there, 110 pip. Not only that, they were reversing. As you see here, it says by you, Samdani. So this is now me, it's my son, Omar Samdani. Okay, so he's maintaining these charts and he's learning and he's doing good, but he only watch and take trades on a 7-minute chart. All right, so not only these two, but since yen was getting strong, all yen pair were going down. So not only I got these two, but I also got Aussie yen. I mean, I got mine. Just show you. Let me see from the 20-minute chart. See this 20-minute chart, Aussie yen. But this entry from 7-minute chart somewhere here is my son doing it. See that? This entry here. And it went down for 110 pip. He got 110 pip right from here. Not only this one, but another one, CAD yen also. So yen was getting strong and all yen pair went down. And these are the trades that we got. So basically, this is how we, I use the 7-minute chart in my group as well. Yeah. So, and they all know how to, what to do and how to use this 7-minute. And not only that, when the 20-minute goes bad, we use this, but from the extended levels, extensions. For example, if I show you something here, that what's happening right now, let me see, let's say pound Aussie, for example, right? I'm going to show you something that how we can use the 7-minute chart as well. It gave you a couple of nice entry, but I'm not in the mood to take the trade right now. 40-minute, you see this? Pound Aussie is all the way up there, extended. So coming down here, it is going to give the 7-minute short entry. It's a reversal against the trend, but yes, you can always pick up 60, 70, 80, even 100 pip when it is coming down, and then it will go up again. That's different story, right? Let me show you if the 7-minute chart I have. Yes, right here. So let me refresh it, and I'll show you that what happened. And do we have a short entry already or no on this one? I didn't take it because I'm busy doing something, like this video, making this video. I have a couple of more videos, answering the emails and all that. So I'll see if I can get some entries in London session. So let me see 7-minute today. You see that? Now, this is the entry, proper entry actually, but you can see that these were the entries as well. You can take these entries because the wave is below the red line. Yellow is below the black and the red. See this one? This indicates all the way up. This would indicate all the way up. But this is not my proper time. This is, what time is it? It's not London, right? So I said, bypass, and then I do my things. And I'll see if, it retraces and give me a 20-minute short setup in London. If not, then it will turn around and go to the upside again. Then I'll go long. No, so I can trade, either 20-minute setup. If not, then if it is going somewhere, I can just watch the 7-minute chart and find the entry and get in, and then that's it. Now, this is what happened. This is how I use the 7-minute chart. Either if the 20-minute entry goes bad, immediately turn around and then go the other way, price going the other way, then I catch the move using the 7-minute chart. Or extended levels, when it is retracing back towards the wave, easy peasy, very easy, you can get some beautiful entries. Similarly, I think Euro is doing the same thing right now. Let's take a look. And probably beautiful 7-minute entry there as well. Let me see if this is the 7-minute. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold on just a minute. So let me refresh it. And now where's the 7-minute? Okay, here. So look, here we go, right? Not clear entry so far. This is the entry, but I said right now, like I said, that this is 2:35 right now, right? So London opens around 3 o'clock. So by that time, it might retrace a little bit more here, and then that would be a proper entry. If I see a proper entry, then I'll go and go down with it. And you can see the 40-minute chart is way all the way to the upside and retracing. May come down here all the way to this line here, right? So take a 7-minute entry and cash out. And then if it is start to go up, because the trend is all to the upside, right? We may go again to the upside. So I will get in again. Now, what I'm actually interesting for tonight, I'm watching those charts, 20-minute and 7-minute, about pound yen, not pound, sorry, pound yen and euro yen. So I'm going to give it to you as well. Pay attention, whatever the system you're using to make entries, do it, but they are going to go up. I'm talking about yen pairs. Yen pairs are about to go up. See, this one is a yen index. See this? It's bouncing from here. Beautiful trend line bounce, this high here. And all yen pair went down because this little retracement. Now, if this is bouncing and going to the upside, guess what? All yen pair are going to go up again. All right. So I'm looking for entries in pound yen and euro yen. Maybe those two only. That's it. I have enough trades already, so I don't worry about it. Aussie yen maybe, or USD yen actually, maybe if I see, I don't know. But these two, I'm going to hit them again, and I'll show you my trades tomorrow. So this is a very good setup here. If this thing goes here, as I mentioned here, I'm showing here, then at least the pairs will go like 150, 200 pip each. Every pair will move, and you can get your share out of that easily. I'm going to do it. I'll show you my trades tomorrow. Probably a 7-minute is setting up already on the other computer. Let me just check quickly here. Let me see. Pound yen. Okay, yes. Pound yen, euro yen, both slowly going to the upside and ready to make a long setup. So I'm going to take those, and I advise you guys to do the same. If you have, whatever the system you use, just use that. All right. So this is it for now. This is, I just wanted to show that how 20-minute and 7-minute chart, if you make the 20-minute long, if it doesn't go your way, then immediately the price going down, then you get in from 7-minute and recover your losses. And make some, obviously. The other day, what happened? I lost 25 pip and pound yen. I ended up making 140 pip trade. That's how it is. Okay. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like to see or get my video fast, right? As soon as I upload them. And if you'd like to join, go on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com. I don't know if I have it open here, and subscribe there. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. If you guys have any other questions, then email me. Everybody knows that my email is in the description of any video. You can find my email there. All right. Okay. So bye for now. Stop recording.